this lesson is called dividing fractions. Dividing fractions. All right. One key word you need to understand is the word. Who can say that word? Reciprocal. Everybody say that word. Say reciprocal. Yeah, know some math words. Reciprocal. Now, if I have the fraction 7/9, somebody tell me what's the reciprocal of 7/9? Thank you. The reciprocal of 7/9 is 9/7. Somebody real smart, tell me what we just did. There you go. The reciprocal means to flip the fraction. That's it. All right, let's try it again. 2 and 5/6. What's the reciprocal of 2 and 5/6? Let's start over. What does reciprocal mean? Flip who? Okay, I'm actually again. What is the reciprocal of 2 and 5/6? What's wrong with 2 and 5/6? Huh? What's wrong with 2 and 5? What kind of number is 2 and 5/6?
It's a mixed fraction.
Not a mix. It's a mixed number, right? That ain't no fraction. How you gonna flip something that ain't no fraction? You got to first change it to a what? Come on now, so let's do it. We got to first find out what it is as a fraction. So what is it as a fraction? 6 times 2 is 12, plus 5 more is how much? Now you see it as a fraction. So what is the reciprocal of that? There you go, 6/17. What you just said would not give you the reciprocal. You can't flip your favorite part and say it's done. You got to make sure you're looking at a fraction. Let's try it again. Try it again. What's the reciprocal of 16? Because 16 as a fraction is actually what? Now you got 16/1. And when you flip 16/1, you get what? 1/16. Very good. There we go. You can't flip something until you can see it as a fraction first. Okay? All right. So let me give you these rules you ain't never ever seen before in your life. Step 1, let's do it. Step 1 is must be what? Okay, so maybe you have heard that one before. Must be, you got to be talking about fractions, all right? You can't have one fraction and one number. Everybody got to be fractions, all right? Anyway, let's try it again, all right? Now, step 2. Step 2 is this. It's a 2-step move. Change division to multiplication. Change division to multiplication. Get the rules down. I'll be looking for this on when you turn your work in. Change division to multiplication. That's the first step. That's the first part, all right? The second part is use the reciprocal. Use the reciprocal of the right fraction. Use reciprocal of the right fraction. This is what I mean. If you got a division sign and you got a fraction on this side and a fraction on this side, I want you to flip this one. You can only flip the one that comes behind the division sign. All right, you're gonna want to flip. All right, you good? You get them down, bro? Man, just get a piece of paper, man. Just get a piece of paper. Some tissue, anything. All right, anything. All right, here we go. After that step, we got step 3. Step 3 says factor what? Everything. Factor everything. Step 4 says divide out. What you think we divide out? Common factors. And step 5 is to multiply what? Yeah, the leftover factors. Now I told a semi-lie. I told you never seen none of these before, but you have. There's only one thing that's different. Which rule is the new rule? Rule number 2. Everything else is the same. I try to teach with stuff you already know. All right? And I'm just adding that one part. Just adding that one part. So let's practice. Willis, take a picture of it so you can get it in your notes, man. Because I'm gonna move to the next one. All right, I think y'all exit ticket and drop. Let me see. 1 o'clock. Oh no, I got time. It didn't drop. I timed it perfectly. All right. Example. Stay with me now. I ain't gonna do but one of these. Stay with me. 2 3/4 divided by 2 3/8. This is the same problem as 2 3/4 over 2 3/8. Don't let nothing trick you. If you see them two fractions on top of each other, they just want you to divide them, put them side by side and keep moving. That's the same thing. So let's do this right here. Let's do this. All right. So first rule that we have says that it got to be what? So that ain't nothing new. We're going to go ahead and do that. We can do that in our sleep. What's the first fraction? We're going to time that and add. What is it? 11. Did you say 11? 11 over 4. I think I said 11. Divided by, what's the next fraction? What's the next one? 19 over 8. All right. So now, everything must be fractions. Check. We're ready to roll. Next part, 2 steps. Change division to multiplication. So we got to change division to multiplication. So it looks like this. 11 over 4 stays the same, but division changed to multiplication. But then you take the reciprocal of the fraction on the right-hand side. This fraction right here. The moment you change that sign to division, you have to flip that right fraction. So what's the reciprocal of 19 over 8? There you go. Oh, not you. 8 over 19. All right? 8 over 19. This is what my students last year showed me. In the fraction 11 over 4 divided by 19 over 8, what they said was KCF. Anybody remember what that was? Keep, change, flip. That's right. Keep the first fraction, change the division sign, and then you flip the next fraction. All right? Now, after that, the rules stay the same. You go back to factor everything, divide out the common factors. That stay the same. So let's go ahead and do that. We come to the side, and let's come to this. Okay, so 11 is prime, so there's no need to factor that. 4 is what times what? All right. Then 8. What's 8? How many 2s? If you memorize that, you just start writing 2, 2, 2. I want you to memorize that. All right. And 19 is also what? Prime. All right. 19 is prime. So now we do the same thing we've been doing. 11 was at the top. 8 we broke down to how many 2s? That's right. 4 is what times what? And 19 is still 19. All right? Rule 3 at this point, well, 4 now says divide out the common factors. What you see in common? I see this 2 and this 2 and this 2 and this 2, right? All right, so Last step, multiply the leftover factors. What's left over in the top? Numerator, what's left over? Which is 22. What's left over in the denominator? And stop. 22 over 19. Only step we added was keep, change, flip. So, what I want you to do, what I need today is pick you any group of 3. If you're going to do, remember, the first row, the first column are easier. This right here, not as easy. And this row, this column right here, supposed to be the hardest column. Pick you 3 to do. All right, pick you 3 to do. All right, I'll walk around and help. Y'all can talk to each other to help each other, but I need you to understand what's going on.